your PO is your contract with the vendor, then do the Incoterms have any legal influence on the transaction?
No,
No.
no, that's something also to address, get specifics, if there's any type of, grievance with the contract, or something goes wrong, that has to be specified within the contract. The Incoterms not gonna dictate that. As far as, if there's a, going to be a lawsuit or something, what countries regulations are going to be imposed, that's something you want to talk to your seller about and specify in the contract.